Anybody is physically, mentally fit, he can do 3 minutes, enough. Then Kapalbhati for 10 to 15 to half an hour to remove the toxin. Then Bahya only 3 times, Agnisar also 3 times, Nauli 3 times, Anulom Vilom 5 to 10 minutes, Nadi Shodhan Kriya also 5 to 10 minutes. Then Udgit Pranayam, Brahmari also 3 times, Udgit Pranayam 3 times, and meditation you can give 2 to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whichever is suitable to you. And then you can complete your yoga abhyas after meditation. Every day, 5 to 10 minutes you have to meditate. Silently. That is called a pranav dhyan. Focus on your breath. Pranav means breathe. Every day focus on your breath. How does your breath is going inside and coming outside. Observe it, observe it. You are a scientist. You have to observe it. What happened? What does it do to your body? When it goes inside to the nostril area, it touch to inner skin. And inner skins are very highly sensitive. And it is a special material made by the God that absorb the oxygen there also, and that will reach in our brain. When the breath is taken from the left, then this arrangement made by the God is such that the energy goes to your right brain, when left to right, right to left, and that will be, say, energized. Hemisphere of your brain area. That's why prana is very important. It is a vital force. If that vital force is not functioning in your body, what happens? You will be dead. This body will not work because prana is at 0. Prana is 0. That's why Rishis, they people given a more weightage on the vital